Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be quickly planting a bunch of stuff. I'm going to be planting some shrubs that I got from on clearance last year, and then I'm going to be planting quite a few of the elephant ears in the spots that I want them to go. I'm going to be planting these quickly because my back neighbors are gone, and for some reason they like to watch me, and I don't like to be watched, especially when I'm out in my garden. I just want to enjoy my space and be at peace. But a few years ago when we first moved in, they were like, yeah, we like to watch you. You've done so much with the garden and everything. And, you know, we were talking to the other neighbors about it and everything. So now I know that they pay attention to what I'm doing out there, and it makes me a little bit uncomfortable. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the fertilizer that I'm using. Unfortunately, there wasn't a lot of options at Walmart when I went to go get some, so I just got this all-purpose plant food. This is what I'm going to put in the holes while I'm planting, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to plant. So I'm going to plant this guy here. And this is one I didn't mention a second ago. So I'm gonna plant the winter creeper there. I actually have two of these, so I might do like there and there to kind of have like an entrance. Anyway, and then I'm gonna be planting all of these. These are disformis, and they get 6 to 8 feet wide. So this will give us kind of like a privacy screening here. So they're gonna go from here all the way down there. And then I've got my elephant ears. This one's going in. Those two are going in. I have another there that is going in, and potentially more. I have some that are not quite big yet, you know, at least to this size. So I might hang on to those and plant those a little later. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started before my neighbors get home. I am done planting everything with time to spare. They are not home yet. One of the reasons why I wanted to get all of these things planted so quickly is because I got the last of my drip irrigation stuff that I ordered, and I want to get that put into place while everything is planted in, and then mulch over top of it. So I haven't mulched yet. My glasses are fogging up. I haven't mulched yet. Hold on. Oh. I'm super sweaty. So I haven't mulched yet, and I was waiting to do that until I got all of the stuff for my drip irrigation, which just arrived. The last part just arrived yesterday, so now I've got to figure that out. I've never done drip irrigation before, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I do have, from what I understand, all of the parts that I need to get started. So that's what I'm going to be working on this upcoming week, and then that will be just a game changer for me, because I won't have to drag a hose all the way out here to water anything. So I'm going to start with this back area here, which is, excuse me, there, this whole bed, and over there. So once I get that started and it's working properly, then I'm going to work on taking it up this way, so up to that bed, and then around to the rest of the garden over there on the side and the raised beds. And then once I have that down, then I'm gonna work on getting it around to the front yard. So it's a process. If from what I understand, what I've read in the videos, that is pretty easy. So hopefully I won't make it complicated, because I have a tendency to do stuff like that when I'm doing something new, make it more complicated than it actually is. But anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions. You saw me plant my elephant ears and the yews. Wait for that loud car to go by. So we plant the elephant ears with the yews, and it's super easy. You just dig the hole wider and deeper than the actual plant. Then you add in your fertilizer, compost, or whatever you want to use, and then you put the plant in and then backfill. If you want to, fertilize with the liquid feed throughout the season, you can definitely do that. I won't be coming out here with any liquid fertilizer, probably not. Usually anything that's in ground, if it has a need for fertilizer, it will get a granular fertilizer at the start of the season. So like hydrangeas, they get a granular at the start of the season. Roses get a granular at the start of the season. And that's, I'm sure there are more like rhododendrons, all those plants that have like specific fertilizers. I'll go ahead and fertilize them with a granular at the start, and then throughout the season they just feed off of that, because a granular feed is a slower feed. A liquid feed is a quick feed. That means that the plant is able to access those nutrients right away, whereas the granular, it breaks down over time through the watering process. So there's that. But yeah, so let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.